as a tell-all memoir by its publisher that has caused a public fight between his son and daughter, Abhijit Mukherjee and Sharmishta Mukherjee, both Congress leaders, remember. Now, first, let me take you through the sequence of events, what exactly happened. First, Abhijit Mukherjee tweeted that he wanted to vet the memoirs and asked the publishers to stop the book before his written consent is given. Soon after, Sharmishta jumped into that conversation, told off her brother for seeking cheap publicity and forbade him from creating unnecessary hurdles in the release of the book. Now, Abhijit Mukherjee's surprising request comes days after the release of these excerpts came out. Now, what's the reason behind the spat between the brother and the sister? Let's tell you that now, because these excerpts talk about former president actually blaming Sonia Gandhi and Manmohan Singh for Congress's exit from power. You're seeing those sequence of tweets between the brother and sister on your screen right now. We have Sunil Prabhu joining us live for more on this. Sunil, so it is a typical case of Baba's book leading to a fight between the son and the daughter at this point. The key question is, what does it have that is leading to a split, not just within the Congress party and a spat there, but within the family?
Well, Sonal, for those who know Pranab Mukherjee and those who have been part of his and been listening to him for years, will tell you that those presidential years and the book that he has spoken are something that the initial volumes really did not touch or get into the crucial questions of, for example, how was emergency imposed? Why was it imposed? Because Pranab Mukherjee was Indira Gandhi's confidant. He was responsible, for example, for the formation of the Congress party as it is today after it broke away from various other factions. So it's in that context now that this book, the last volume, is expected to be, as the publishers released on Friday, tell it all in terms of not only about the autocratic style, about the Narendra Modi government, but also about the fact that both Sonia as well as Manmohan Singh had lost touch in terms of politics with the UPA, which allowed that drift to take place and for the reason for why the Congress performed so miserably in that election.
Right.
Having said that, let's remember I was witness myself when Pranab Mukherjee had very clearly stated that some of these memoirs must go down, as he said in that launch in Rashtrapati Bhavan when he went ahead with that book release, to say that some of them will go down, and I have asked my daughter not to release them ever, which will be in her safe custody. But now we see a war of words between Abhijit as well as Sharmishta over these very same tell-it-all books, and that's the interesting part.
You are saying you
witnessed... We're going to see a fight between the two Mukherjee brethren.
Just want to clarify that, Sunil. You're saying you witnessed that conversation where Pranab Mukherjee told her daughter that there were certain bits that were not to be released, and those bits are the bone of contention at this point?
That's a recorded statement. That is a statement which Mr. Pranab Mukherjee very categorically made in Rashtrapati Bhavan when he released his book. So it's very clear at that time he had made it clear some memoirs cannot be stated and explicitly. The truth can never come out completely. But having said that, he has written these books, as Sharmishta says, in his own handwriting. And those are certain things which will have to be kept in mind. We must remember that Mr. Pranab Mukherjee used to keep a diary every evening. He used to write about it. Some of that got destroyed in a flood in his Chittaranjan Park house when he was in political wilderness. The rest, of course, as I said, is a matter of record. He has already published 3 volumes. The 4th volume, which is really going to be something which is very, very crucial, is really now a war of words between the Mukherjee brethren about what exactly should be released and how much and what.
And also quite fascinating how the daughter, who still holds a position in the Congress party, is going for it. So what exactly is the reason behind that? We'll sort of get into that in just a bit. But thanks, Sunil, for now, for joining us with the very latest.